Filipino engineers in the Gulf, 50 remarkable stories of influential Filipino engineers in the island of Arabs, and Filipino expat youth in the UAE, an admirable professional holding 3 PRC licenses and learns to give back and help fellow expatriates. He's a mentor and lecturer for civil engineering and master plumber. During the 2017, he chaired a series of 3 seminars which have 32 hours, webinars of 24 hours, which updated the civil engineers to industry trends and practices. He assisted PICE members to achieve specialization in their field, organized bloodletting donation drive, which collected 50,000 cc of blood for local hospitals and supported the installation of deep well water supply in Congratulations to this year's Outstanding Migrant Workers awardees.
Well deserved. Such an inspiration to all the OFWs who are here right now.
May you all serve as inspiration to those around us. I will have a photo of only the awardees with CDA Rogalumat. Congratulations.
Congratulations once again, Migrant Workers awardees for 2024.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Outstanding Migrant Workers awardees 2024. We will see you next year for the next batch of our outstanding overseas Filipino migrant workers.
And that would be the 30th.
Yes, I am expecting a huge celebration next year, the celebration of our 30th Migrant Workers Day 2025. And that concludes the first part of our Kalayaan 2024 partner with the team Kalayaan, Kinabukasan,
Kasaysayan.
I hope that this independence team will live up every day of our lives, partner.
Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.
Enjoy the rest of the day, and now we will be having the festival King and Queen.
First view, punta na dito. Dalang yan. Dalang. Baka kita doon sa Para patigil sa
Bangos Festival. The Sabi Malek Festival. Please welcome the Kalayaan Festival. Ladies and gentlemen, the Pulawan Festival. Coming on your way to the Tinalak Festival. Ati-Atihan Festival. The Sinulog Festival. The Moriones Festival. Ladies and gentlemen, Festival King and Queen, Festival host, give it up for Master Hostman, Andy! Siyempre, pinakilala ko ang aking sarili. Magandang araw ng kaliyan sa inyo lahat! Walakpakan naman tayo dyan! Amazing! Grabe! Napakahusay ang obrang Pinoy. Hindi mo umahaga tayong lahat na mga hatuwa. Kinakilig ng ating mga kababayan, designers ang ating competition na ito. Actually, it was started in 2018 where this competition was held, the Festival Costume Competition. Ngayong taon, after 5 years, muling pinalik natin ang competition na ito at nagpakulay ang IPSA dahil sa kasuota ng mga ito. Ngayong araw na ito, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. I'd like to present to you, ladies and gentlemen, our distinguished panel of judges. Alright, let's have first the criteria for judging. And to present the criteria for judging, the event fund director with a keen eye for detail and passion for creating seamless experience. And this year's event chairman, and I myself the co-chairman sa Festival King and Queen, mga kaibigan, ang ating dalito, direct, Sam San Miguel!
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Sam San Miguel, event chairman at director ng Festival King and Queen. Nakikayo ba lahat? Parang nakita ko na nagdinig yung mga mata na no? So sa ngalan ng ating co-chairman, si Andy Kauyan, sa lahat ng FTO, Comite, sa lahat ng ating sponsors, sa lahat ng dumalo dito ngayon, maraming salamat. So maraming salamat din sa ating mga contestants na talaga naman nanggaling pa sa mga parte ng Saudi Arabia. Ngayon ay aking sasabihin ang pamantayan sa paghuhusga o ang criteria for judging. Itong event na ito ay ginawa para sa ating mga designers. Ngunit binigyan natin ng halaga ang mga models na kumakatawan at nagtutuon sa kanilang mga kasusunod. So ang criteria for judging ay ang mga sumunod. 30% o 30% ng grado na ibibigay ng mga grado ay para sa modelo. Ang confidence, ang goals, kung paano nila dalhin yung sarili nila, kung paano nila isuot yung kasuot nila, at kung gaano nila kaalam yung festival na sinusuot nila. Ang 70% naman ay ang overall impact ng costume. Kung paano ginawa yung costume, kung naaayon ba sa festival na ginawa nila, overall authenticity, creativity, and originality, that covers out as 70%. So huwag na natin itong patagalin pa, tawagin na natin ang ating mga hurado. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat.
I want to celebration and a freelancer graphic artist that specializes creating logos and company packaging design. A creative artist and a fashion gurus. Ladies and gentlemen, judge number 1, Mr. Joey Delanta. Okay? I am sure the audience is stands as candidate backstage. Let us not prolong the agony, and I think everyone is eagerly waiting to see our candidates. Okay? Judges, technicals, are we ready? Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to present to you the Festival King 2024 Festival Costume Competition. religious festival held in the third Sunday of January in Cebu, with the center of activities being in Cebu City and in the center of Santo Niño Christian celebration in the Philippines. The festival is considered to be the biggest festival in the Philippines, with every celebration of the festival routinely attracting between 1 million and 1.5 million people each year. Aside from the religious aspect of the festival, Sinulog is also famous for its street parties, usually happening the night before and the night of the main festival. The festival is nicknamed the grandest festival in the Philippines. Designer, Ernie Cumero. Model, Benji Tapia. Ladies and gentlemen, Festival King number 1, Sinulog Festival. Our model is wearing a Pigalan SF made of the lap fabric with red gems, showcasing high social status within the tribe. The outfit also includes a vest with geometric patterns and rhinestones, as along with red gems and ethnic veils, a belt with ethnic beads and crossbelt, a colorful beaded necklace, a barrel-shaped drum headwear, and a black dress representing Tiburon women's headwear. Additionally, JP carries a hagado, a two-string flute musical instrument. Designer, JP Cordero. Model, JP Cordero. Festival King number 2, Dinalak Festival. The Kadayawan Festival. The well-tailored apron garments made of long streets of hand-woven loincloth, gold cuts. The tribal, symmetric design pattern with tribal colors. The pants, the salawar, is intricately sewn with precious beads, stones, api shells, and gold handling, symbolizes of a strong leader. The belt is made of orange and brown strands of rope with colorful fabric molds showing the colorful traditions and cultural practices. The kulo, tribal headdress, is the handmade crafted with wooden pieces, single cross items that symbolizes a great leadership, humility, and kindness of the tribe. Around it is colorful fabric board. Ladies and gentlemen, Festival number 3, the Kadayawan Festival. Designer, Pat Del Mundo. Model, Carl Star Calibuso. Give way to Festival King number 4, Hot Air Balloon Festival Pampanga. The Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Festival is an annual 4-day air sport event held each year between January and February at the Clark Freeport Zone in Pampanga. This event was also invented by the late Nelson Mayo in the late 1900s. It is one of the longest run-of-aviation sports events in the Philippines. The event an estimated 100,000 plus visitors locally and from around the world come in to see this event. Designer, Jupiter Garcia. Model, Jeffrey Olaez. Festival King number 4, Hot Air Balloon Festival. Festival King number 6. Bangus Festival! Bangus Festival, officially named the Buman City Bangus Festival, is a yearly cultural and food festival in the Buman City, in the province Pangasinan, Philippines, held every April 30. It is a celebration of the city's production of bangus fest and many of its related products. Designer, Miguel Cura. Model, Dexter Gonzalez. Ladies and gentlemen, Bangus Festival! Give way to Sarimanok Festival! The Sarimanok is a legendary bird that serves as a symbol of a murder house. Made from the word sari, a garment of different colors deeply related to the culture, and manok, rooster with its beautiful and colorful feathers. It accordingly represents good fortune and prosperity, and is also an essential maker of their art form. Designer, Shakira Mama Nasruddin. Model, Nathaniel Salmar. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sarimanok Festival! Please welcome the Moriones Festival! The Moriones Festival is an ethnic and religious festival held annually in Holy Week on the island of Marinduque, Philippines. The Moriones are men and women in costumes and masks replicating the garb of biblical imperial Roman soldiers as interpreted by locals. The Moriones first appeared in Bukol in 1807 as initiated by the Paris priest Father Dionisio Santiago. The Moriones Festival is a unique and vibrant religious event celebrated during Holy Week in the Philippines. Visitors can witness the colorful and lively reenactment of the story of Long Pinos. Designer Antonio Marasigan. Model J.G. Villanueva. Ladies and gentlemen, Moriones Festival! The bodies and beliefs of the Filipinos. In essence, the Perla de Oriente costume is a true reflection of the treasure and beauty of the Philippines. Designer, Jeffrey Cayayabe de Guare. Model, Janus Clemente. Ladies and gentlemen, Mistay Gayat Perla de Oriente. Up next, the Moro Festival! The ethnic warrior festival attire of the Tausug minority in Western Mindanao, Philippines showcases the rich culture of the tribe. Overall, the attire and accessories reflect the pride and tradition of Tausugesers, made of wooden tools with ethnic beads and fabric shield, a large-size shield for protection, golden accessories symbolizing honor and loyalty, a Moro priest-led sword, and a shield with Tausug symbolism. The attire represents the bravery, the strength of the Tausug warriors, who are always ready to defend and protect their tribe. The Panalay dance, a traditional dance of Tosu requires dexterity and flexibility, similar to the movements in the Balinese dance. Overall, the attire and accessories reflect the pride and tradition of the Tosu tribe. Designer, Cassie Ortega. Model, Jeffrey Gamoto. The Model Festival! Giveaway to Anihan Festival! Sa bawat pagkain sa kapag-kainan, subo at pawis ang aming puhunan. Pahalagahan ang mga Pilipinong magsasaka. The Anihan Festival is a Thanksgiving celebration to God for the bountiful harvest. This is also a tribute for the farmers whose efforts are a significant factor in the challenging agricultural situation of the country. The Anihan Festival also promotes the Philippines as the agro-export tourism, being known as the one of the agricultural country in Asia. She is wearing a modern traditional farmer's outfit. The masterpiece would like to highlight the bountiful harvest, festivity, and creativity of the Filipinos. The colorful fruit symbolizes abundance, the colorful life, the happiness during the harvest season. The rice green symbolizes our hope to support the all-out drive campaign, fighting hunger in the Philippines. Masaganang ani para sa lahat. Mabuhay ang magsasakang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Designer, Dandre Piros. Model, Jonathan Perez. Ladies and gentlemen, the Anihan Festival! Giveaway to the Sali Manok Festival! The Sali Manok is a legendary bird that has become a ubiquitous symbol of the renowned art. It is depicted as a fowl with colorful wings and feather tail, holding a fish in its beak or tail. Banner of the Sali Manok Festival costume inspired us to kill the theme of dance many focuses in Muslim royalty. Designer, Christopher Santos. Model, Christopher Santos. Ladies and gentlemen, Sali Manok Festival! Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Festival Queen 2024 Festival Costume Competition. Let's begin with the Anihan Festival. Anihan is a shortened word for Ani ng Laguna, which literally means harvest of Laguna. The week-long festival promises not only the relief of Laguna, the Anihan Festival spans 8 days, allowing ample time for visitors to explore and appreciate the diverse cultural and economic contribution. Designer, C. Morse Aguirre. Model, Corbett Alcantara. Ladies and gentlemen, your Anihan Festival! Give way to Festival Queen number 2, the Bulawan Festival! Bulawan Festival comes from the word Bulawan, the local word for gold. The province is known for rich means of metal and non-metal deposits. Historically, it was known for the gold rush in Mount Iwalwal in 1980s. Most of its small-scale mining companies are concentrated in the extraction of gold and other precious metals, such as silver. The Davao de Oro is also known as the gold district of the Davao region. The first ever Bulawan Festival was held from March 3 to 8, 2008. The festivity was a time for the 10th anniversary of the founding of the Davao de Oro. It was previously called Anibina Bulawanon Festival, or simply Anibina Festival, which was conducted since the province founding. The name comes from the words ani, meaning harvest, and bina, meaning gold field. Designer, Johnny Gabansa. Model, Jonathan Chris Palmer. Ladies and gentlemen, Bulawan Festival! Festival Queen number 3, the Sinulog Festival! The Sinulog Santo Niño Festival is known as Sinulog ang Sinulog. Is an annual cultural and religious festival held on the 3rd Sunday of January in Cebu, with the center of the activities being in Cebu City, and is the center of the Santo Niño Christian celebrations in the Philippines. The festival is considered to be the biggest festival in the Philippines, with every celebration of the festival routinely attracting between 1 million and 1.5 million people each year. Aside from the religious aspect of the festival, Sinulog is also famous for the street parties, usually happening the night before the night of the main festival. The festival is nicknamed the grandest festival in the Philippines. Designer, Ernie Cuneros. Model, Mayan Castro. Ladies and gentlemen, Sinulog Festival! Festival Queen number 4, Dinagyang Festival! The Dinagyang Festival is a religious and cultural festival in Iloilo City, Philippines, held annually on the 4th Sunday of January in honor of Santo Niño, the Holy Child. It is one of the largest festivals in the Philippines, drawing hundreds of thousands to over a million visitors every year. Designer, Mark Louis Isliaga. Model, Angela Puna. Ladies and gentlemen, your Dinagyang Festival! Let's meet our festival queen, Hermosa Festival! The Hermosa Festival, also known as the Huangal Hermosa Festival, popularly known as Fiesta Pilar, is a man-long festival held annually in Zamboanga City. Zamboanga Hermosa, also known as Fiesta Pilar, is one of the Zamboanga City's most important festivals. It honors the city's patron saint, the Nuestra Señora de la Virgen del Pilar, whose image is enshrined in an equally historic and venerated Fort Pilar. The feast day proper on October 12 is a special holiday in Zamboanga City, and a shrine itself holds Novena Masses throughout the day. Give way to Bulawan Festival! Bulawan Festival is a founding anniversary celebration and a festival at the gold mining industry of the province of Davao de Oro, Philippines, held every March 8th. Bulawan Festival is a tribute to the province gold industry. It features street dancing, street fairs, and showcases the rich natural land, your Bulawan Festival!
Hermosa na tawag nito.
Give way to Ati-Atihan Festival! The Ati-Atihan Festival is a feast held annually in honor of the Santo Niño Infant Jesus, legally holds the title to Mother of All Philippine Festival, held in the third Sunday of January in the town of Tagibo, Aklan, Philippines. The name Ati-Atihan means to be like Atis, or to make believe Atis, the local name for the Inca, who first settled in Panay Island and other parts of the archipelago. The festival costume works on indigenous fabric, showing how rich and detailed cultural they had. Headdress is made of styrofoam, carrying a face image of Api. Accessories with colorful feathers in pink, yellow, and black, with the dashes of peacock feathers. Designer, Jeffrey Kayabyan Manigualin. Model, Nicole Joanne Cruz. Your Ati-Atihan Festival! Festival! Wearing a Philippine flag-inspired costume with a dance at the famous festival of all festivals, the Kalayaan Festival. The costume depicts a wheel-like design, symbolizing the freedom to fly, to reach our own goals, and act like we aren't being held back. And of course, together with that are the forces of life that shines our way, the ray of light from where it came from. A freedom deserved by every island, shining as he flies, bringing the pride of our motherland, the Kalayaan Festival! Designer, Elena Rio Mateo. Model, Elena Rio Mateo. Made of indigenous materials and the design that reflects the cultural heritage of Iloilo. Moreover, the costumes typically consist of headdress and colorful design, adorned with the feathers, beads, and other embellishments. Designer, Cristita Olea. Model, Maricar Cahide. Ladies and gentlemen, your Young Festival! Pudyaka Salubi is one of the grandest festivals in the province of Lanao del Norte, showcasing harmony and respect for each other's differences, to which these differences made the people stronger and united. This costume was inspired by the manner of all festivals in Lanao del Norte. Pudyaka Salubi is the representation of the rich culture and tradition of Lanao del Norte. Deeply rooted in the primary means of living, the young Coconut, and the celebration of Pudyaka Salubi, teeming with opportunities given back to the bountiful harvest. Designer, Rashi Ortega. Model, Amera Lali. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Pudyaka Salubi Festival! The Hermosa Festival, also known as the Wanga, is La Hermosa Festival, popularly known as the Fiesta Pilar in a month-long festival, held annually in Zamboanga City. Zamboanga Hermosa, also known locally as Fiesta Pilar, is one of the Zamboanga City's most important festivals. It honors the city patron saint, Nuestra Señora de la Virgen de Pilar, whose image is engraved in the equally historic and venerated Port Pilar. The festive proper on the So today we are almost approaching the peak of our festival showdown, and we are near the part where we get to other amazing designers. I'd like to invite once again honorable guest Romel Romato to please join with us. Together with you, Marlene Romero, Marlene, please join with us. And also Julie Hadalmillo to present the plaque of appreciation to our designers. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Adilab Festival designer Aguirre C. Mars together with model Alcantara Norbert. Once again, a round of applause please to our designer Aguirre C. Mars for Adilab Festival. The Bulawan Festival. Champions. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bulawan Festival Creations.
Mga designer, nasaan na?
Come on guys, palakpakan natin sila. They are already creative. Sobrang effort. Ilang buwan nilang hinandaya ang mga costumes na yan. Kaya talaga deserve nila ang ating appreciations. Alright? Good luck to all of you guys. Sobrang effort yung mga yan. Ladies and gentlemen, designer Jandy Cabanza. Your Sinulog Festival this Tapia and Mayan Castro.
Si Patricia. Si Patricia.
Thank you so much. Ernie Cumeros is also my designer for this amazing parawang that we wore tonight, this afternoon. Ayun po. Mabong maghapon na ng aking designer. Thank you so much, Ernie Cumeros. Next, a self-designer and model, JP Cordero.
Alam ko naman ang pwede. Mamaya.
Come on guys, palakpakan natin. Ladies and gentlemen, a self-designed creation of Tinalak Festival, JP Cordero. Your Cagayawan Festival designer,
Hello.
Patricia Del Mundo,
But I cannot drive
model, Carlstar Calibuso.
Why?
because I don't know how. I don't even know how to balance a bike.
Practice. Only practice you will learn. How are you? Wow, you are here.
I've never heard of that one. I only heard of Panisdaan.
Did you try to
Ladies and gentlemen, on your
ride
way,
it last
the
time?
Cagayawan Festival.
How is it?
Designer, Patricia
You
Del
don't know
Mundo.
how?
Model,
nagsakay lang ako.
Carlstar Calibuso.
Sa likod.
You will get used to it.
You will learn.
The model will accept on behalf of the designer.
If I keep on trying, but I really cannot do it, he will try and find, I don't know, something like 3 wheels.
When mommy chose it and Ate was in the back, Ate started screaming. And the
Do you know
car-
how to ride a bike?
Ginagyang Festival Designer,
but only the
Mark
Three
Luis
wheels,
Estrada, model, Anna Brigola.
Only practice you will get used to it, but only a little bit.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating ginagyang designers, Mark Luis
Gold.
Estrada.
Tita, wait.
Maybe she's a pirate.
Nakaka-proud kayo mga Pilipino. Yan ang po talaga yung mga
Bangos.
kumbaga passion na nila yung paggawa.
Fish.
There are new
Hindi ko alam kung Kastila
designers.
yan.
Ha?
Nagsusuot ng parang red, ganun sa
Sa
taas.
designer.
And then warrior.
Warrior, nag-Kastila, diba?
Grabe no, yung passion nila sa pagkikita
Yung ano, yung-
mga festival costumes are really amazing. And
Roman time yung
incredible.
inano nila si Jesus. Moriones.
Diba?
Moriones Festival.
And
Yeah.
thanks for joining.
Yung nag-order na
Ladies and gentlemen,
Hindi, mga Egyptian
the
time.
Hot Air Balloon Festival founder designer, Jupiter Garcia, model, Jeffrey
During
Lara.
inano nila si Jesus.
Come on guys, palakpakan natin! Ito yung mga makikita niyo sa mga pageant. So alam niyo na kapag may mga pageant kayo sasalihan ha, ito yung mga i-approach niyo mga designers. Very creative kung gumawa. Diba? Dinala niyo ang Fiesta Pinoy dito ngayon sa Insta.
Rizal.
See? Amazing. Ay, hindi na kailangan pumunta ng Pampanga. It's all out here. Hi, Jupiter. Ang shoutout nga pala sa sister ko. Thank you for your comment. We're watching you the here. Ladies and gentlemen, your Bangus Festival designer, Ronel Gura. Model, Dexter Moncales. Dati, ikaw ay model, ngayon designer ka rin pala. Dati ikaw sumusuot, pinasuot mo na ngayon. Grabe, napaka-talent pa din ng mga tao ito. Bangus is from Dagupan, diba? Yan, pinasyal naman tayo ngayon sa Dagupan. Yes, why not? Oh, pwede ka na namin gawing ano ngayon, sinigang na bangus. Mamaya kang halian. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Moriones Festival and Bulawan Festival. Grabe, dalawa palang entry. Designer,
Ah, ito yun.
Antonio Pagasigan.
Moriones at saka Bulawan.
Jen Joseph Villanueva for Moriones and Bulawan, Jane Kubuyan. Grabe naman yan. All the way from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Grabe. Grabe. For 2 consecutive competition, dinadayo niyo talaga ang Eastern region. Maraming salamat, Jeddah. These are the incredible and amazing designers from Jeddah. Dalawang truck po kagabi. Okay? Nasira pa lahat sa sobrang ingat ng biyahe. Nirepair nila sa backstage ngayong gumagala ang mga designs na ganyan. Palakpakan natin! Deserve ng taga-western ang palakpak ng eastern. Take note, not only one ha. Dalawang entry niya. Grabe. Alright? Palakpakan natin, Antonio Marasigan.
Jellyfish. Oh, jellyfish.
Oh, hindi pa huli ang susunod natin. All the way from Jeddah also. Grabe. Ang designer ng Perla de Oriente.
Mag-swim.
Ati-atihan. Tama ba? Oh yes, ati-atihan, Perla de Oriente. Ang model Clemente Llanos and Cruz Nicole Joanne. Palakpakan natin, Jeffrey Mindigwari from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Grabe ang bulky ng mga costume. Oh, Hermosa Festival sa Buanga City.
Dalawa rin.
Nagbabalik sa competitions. Palakpakan natin, designer Nasruddin Shakira Mama. Model Salmar Nataniel and Rihanna Ibadir.
Dito si Shakira.
Ayun.
Grabe.
Shakira ang na-stress.
Palakpakan natin ang Salimano at
Where did you
Hermosa
get that?
Festival sa Buanga City.
It's sticky. It's sticky.
Amazing creation.
Nahiya naman ako sa sinusukat ko na yun. Sa ganito.
Look at that.
Bakit?
Very detailed.
Sa ganito, parang ano.
Eh, naka-costume sila.
Hindi pa sila ang goal.
Up next,
How much is that?
Malayan
It
Festival
cost
designers.
more than
Elena Montero.
Alarm.
Model, Elena Montero. A self-designed creation. Palakpakan naman natin. Siya na ang model, siya pa ang designer. Yung passion sa designing and modeling, nasa iyo lang lahat.
Siya na all.
Wow! Grabe, a self-designed creations.
Gutom kayo, may prutas.
Montero.
Tagal kasi mag-ising niya.
Fiesta tayo dito ngayon sa Ibsa, no? Grabe. Dinayo tayo ng mga festivals sa festivals.
Nakakainit ng tubig.
Ops, nagpaki-assist na lang sila doon sa pag-akyat. Marshals, Back-American. Okay, palakpakan muli natin. A.M. Riello Montero. Self-Design Alayan Festival. Up next,
Pwede kayo umupo doon.
Dinagyang Festival. Designer, Cristeta Otlea. Model, Maricar Kahilig.
Hindi na mamansin yan.
Kaya nga, mayaman na yun.
Dinagyang isang Davao.
Dito ka rin pala?
Iloilo din. Iloilo. Let's go mga Ilongga. Basta Ilongga, guwapa. Yeah, let's go Dinagyang Festival.
Kaya nga. Dito pala kayo.
Palakpakan natin. Cristeta Oblea.
Nakisal. Dito na. Kubak na. Mga ilang buwan.
Up next, the Hundiaka Salupi Festival. And the Molo Festival. Dalawang entry designer, Kashi Ortega. Model,
Nahirapan na siya makabalik.
Jeffrey Gamoso.
Sila ng ano.
Wow! Slot the runway! Let's go! Oh, lala! Let's go! Kashi Ortega! Grabe ha! The Hundiaka Salupi and the Mono Festivals.
Sino kayo puntay dati kayo discuss na? Ang asawa.
Kashi, mukhang peperiet ka ba? Restaurant, thank you. Jixie Premier is also here.
Garcia, and I hope our guys are
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Patricia Garcia. Palapakan po natin. Ayan. Alright, at this dancer, we would like to present the awards for the fishing contest, okay? Yung fishing contest natin, which ang ating event organizer si Sir Anthony Daniel Santos. It was held last May 31, 2004 sa Five Fingers Beach Alcobar. Ayan. So, we will be awarding the biggest catch fish and the most number of As we call on your names sa ating mga winners, please join with us on stage to accept the plaque and of course the cash prize. Okay? Okay, we'll hand over the cash later on. Oh, Mary Jane, please join with us. Okay, let's have our biggest catch. Second runner-up, congratulations, Mr. Is this Mr.? Anyway, Carol Adrian Borromeo. Congratulations. Biggest catch, second runner-up. Carol Adrian Borromeo. It's 4.5 kilos ang nakuha niya. Grabe. Yeah. Husay na win-win. Yeah. We will call on our official photographer. Please join with us here. Asan yung ating official photographer? Dito po muna tayo sa harap. And our champion for biggest catch. Congratulations, Mr. Archie Makina. 6.5 kilos. Dadalaga tayo doon. Hindi. 6.5. Hindi po ba binili sa palengke tapos sinabit sa ano? Sinabit doon sa may ano natin, pamanisi. Congratulations, palapakan natin ang ating biggest catch winners. Now, for the most number, pinakamaraming nahuli. Ayan. Most number of catches. Second runner-up with 7 piraso. May oras po ba during that time? Kung ilang oras pwedeng makuha? 7 piraso ang kanyang nahuli. Congratulations, Mr. Arvin Jan Clavero. Palampakan natin si Arvin Jan Clavero. 7 pieces yung kanyang nakuha at nahuli na isda. Inihaw niyo po ba yan after? Dapat meron tayong baon na bahaw. Taga-alhasa po, no? Grabe. For our first runner-up, congratulations, Mr. Jerry De La Ocampo. 15 pieces ang kanyang nahuli. From CIS, grabe naman yun. Congratulations, Mr. Jerry De La Ocampo. 15 pieces ang kanyang nahuli. Okay, and for our champion, most number of catches, congratulations, Mr. Norberto Cudel. 17 pieces. Norberto Cudel. Good. Grabe. Ay, una po si Sir. Dati kang manging isda. Ayan, dati pala siyang mangingisda, kaya naman pala sanay na sanay si Sir. Yan. Saludo sa ating mga mangingisda. Ayan. Salamat sa mga huling isda ninyo. Grabe. Oh, next year, dapat marami na tayong sumali na. Kaya lang, very early, 4 o'clock yata. Hinadyang Festival, Kalikat Kahingin. Sabi Manong Festival ng Daniel Salman. Sabi Manong Festival, Christopher Santos. Kalayaan Festival, Ellen Rio Todero. Moro Festival, Jeffrey Camoro. Hilawan Festival, Jean Tubuyan. Hinabak Festival, Jean Cordero. Hermoso Festival. Dinayang Festival, Andrigola Muna. Perla de Oriente, Janus Clemente. Anihan Festival, Jonathan Ferrer. Bulawan Festival. Ladies and gentlemen, your 21 finalists of Festival King and Queen. Deserve nilang lahat yan. So who's your pick? Sino sa palagay nyo ang ating Festival King and Queen? Sino sa palagay nyo? Ha? Sino? Grabe naman kayo. Sino ma'am? Yung mga taga-DFW? Sino pa? Lahat! No, ang hirap pumili. Grabe naman. Oh, you know what? Our grand Festival King and Queen winner will receive 3,000 Saudi Riyal plus Philippine Airlines round trip ticket courtesy of Philippine Airlines. Grabe. Our runner-up will receive 1,500. Okay, natin pero ang hirap pumili. Kaya naman sa mga sponsors namin next year, we would like to appeal to all of you. Pakidagdagan niyo po at damihan natin yung papremyong ganito kasi deserve po talaga nilang mabigyan lahat. Eh kung may budget lang, lahat sila bibigyan natin ng consolation, di po ba? Opo. Dakilang lahi Dugot pawis ilan na imolik ang maapi Ngayon at kailanman Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y walang hanggan Yes, sir. Grabe, hirap na tayo i-judge kung sino talaga ang ating grand winner. Music. Ang hirap pumili. Diyos ko, sa aming mga sponsors, generous sponsors, we would appreciate if you know, you have to, baka meron kayo dyan, baka naman, iabot na natin sa kanila. We need more prizes para sa mga to. Nahihirapan kami iabot. Grabe. I'd like to thank, of course, Anita and Jay. Oh, okay!
Sa mga umaalab ang puso, magandang tanghali. Ika'y matutumba, ika'y masasawi, mabibilangan ka ngunit babangon ka muli. Walang maniniwala, walang makikinig, wala nang pag-asang naibig mong takilig. Madami lang ka ba sa Pilipinas kong mahal,
Mel Romano, please join with us. Ma'am Marlene Hamero, please join with us, ma'am. Ma'am Lizelle, please join with us. Ma'am Rona.
We will go there.
Alright.
Bye!
Nako, grabe. Ilang minutes.
We are going to cut my
Ay,
hair.
ngala ng konti. Oo, maganda sana kung nandito siya. Maantay pa natin. Anyway, I'd like to invite everyone. Available po yung Jollibee natin tsaka yung ating Royal Cuisina sa ating
You know
canteen.
Jollibee?
Pwede po tayong bumili doon ng ating mga pagkain. And,
Where's Jollibee there? Where is
yes.
it? It's not there.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors, of course. Philippine Airlines, Official Airline Partner Committee,
Sir Mark Lester Castro.
Okay. Available po ang ating Jollibee at Royal Cuisina sa kantin.
Bago natin simulan ang raffle, paki-update lang po yung mechanics natin dito sa raffle, Sir Mark. Good morning po sa lahat. Yung lahat po ng umating po ngayon, nag-pila po ng tickets po natin doon sa registration. So, kung sino pa po yung hindi po nakapag-fill up ng registration ticket po doon sa registration, pwede pa po humabol para sa raffle po natin. So, ang mechanics po natin is pagpunod po ng pangalan at tatawagin po in the count of 10. Pag hindi po dumating, bubunot po tayo ng panibago ulit hanggang sa makakuha po tayo ng winner. So, up to the 10 counts po lang po. Okay, so maliwanag at the count of 10. Pag wala po yung tao dito, forfeited po yung prize, bunot tayo agad. Okay? Sa pagbunot, magbibilang tayo ng 1 to 10. Sarap Foods Products, the official distributor of Pinoy products in the Saudi Arabia. So may I call on the representative from Livelihood, Sir Mr. Sunga. Marshall, pakilagay nga dito yung mga livelihood. Bigyan mo kami ng 5. 5. Yan. So, ito may mga toyo, patis, ketchup, bihon, choknut, sardines. From IMG. Paki-register po kay kay Mark. Okay, bunot na sir. Our first consolation prize, bubunutin ngayon
Hindi
ni
ko alam. Hindi ko alam
Mr.
pumasok eh.
Yahya Sunga. Okay, the lucky ticket number 0740. 0740, Annalyn S. Puna. 1, 2, ay nandito siya. Okay, yawad na lang po. Okay, next. Okay, sunod sir. Okay, next. Second lucky winner for the Sarap Foods products. Oh. Lucky ticket number 00747. Joselito Fernando. Nandun si Sir. Joselito Fernando. Wala tayong background music. Pakilakas. Ha? Sa labak. Galit ka? At sanding natin galit. Okay, next, our third lucky number. Ticket number 00967, Elpidio Ketevis. Elpidio Ketevis. Hindi po kunin, yun na dito. Elpidio Ketevis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, wala. So, tanggalin na natin yan. Pangatlo na po. Lucky ticket number 00952, Ted Carian. Ted Carian. Ayun. Pagilan na to, Sir Mark? Lucky ticket number 711, Mary Grace Anguno. Anguno? Mary Grace Anguno. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wala. 1. Ay, nandun. Ang signature flower. And the last muna tayo ngayon. Patikim pa lang po to sa mga raffle prizes natin, ha. Ay, 0-0. Maswerte lagi ito. Laging nananalo. Ang middle initial niya ay S. Idodonate mo na ito, ma. First letter ng name niya ay L. Mayaman to eh. And last letter sa apelyido niya ay Elden. Elden. Miss Lizelle S. Villaruel. Our event coordinator from Migrant Workers Office. Ay, donate mo, ma'am? Hindi naman, kukunin niya. Naghirap din si ma'am dito. Ano ba? Plus, yung IMG? Wala ka ng chance mga sa TV sa kapal. Sa IMG naman daw tayo. Yung donor, yung dalawang reyna, pumunta dito sa stage. IMG. Ito yung mga donors. Opo. From IMG. Ano to? 1 month. Ano? Isang buwan lang. Na-insured. Okay. Ricardo Tidon Jr. Ricky. 1. 2. Ayaw daw niya. Tapos, ang isa. Congratulations. Okay, next winner for the IMG, Jodeline Bolado. Jodeline Bolado. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, nandun. Kayo po to, ma'am? Ma'am, kayo to? Jodeline Bolado. Wow. Ilang ano ba tayo, Angie? 6. So, isa pa, Don. IMG winner. Don Navarro. Don or Dave? IMG. Ito, maswerte lagi ito. Jonathan Ferrer. Si Mr. Next winner, Solen De Asis. C-S-O-L-E-E-N. Solen De Asis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 0591284570. Paul. Walang apelyido. Mobile number 0591284570. Ticket number 00656. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Tabi muna natin to. Okay po, at the center po. We are about to announce our winners for Festival King and Queen 2024. Alright? For our second runner-up, Festival King will receive a sash, a cash, a plaque to be presented by Chef San Miguel for the cash. Okay? Yeah. Can we give now the plaque and the sash? Festival King first. King muna. King po. Okay. And Chef for the cash. Okay. Sige. Si Chef po ang ating sponsor for the 500 real. this year's Festival King 2024 with an average score of 93.33. Second runner-up goes to... I'd like to invite the model and designer to please join with us on stage. Okay? So the model will receive a sash and the plaque and the cash will be handed over to ating designer. Okay? Just to be clear. Second runner-up, Festival King, goes to... Wala mo bang suspense na music? Natin yung music. Congratulations! Moriones Festival! Designer Antonio Marasigan. From Jeddah. Kaya ba ng model o designer na lang dito? Model na lang sa gitna, dito lang sa pinakagitna ang model. Yes, yung sash na lang kaya sa model din baba natin. Congratulations! Second runner-up, Moriones Festival designer Antonio Marasigan. For the information of everyone, the first ever in 2018 festival costume grand winner is the Moriones Festival from Jeddah. Yan din ang ating grand winner noong 2018. But this year's of course, bongga na. Mas marami ng kalaban. Congratulations! Pasok ka pa rin! Isa ka pa rin sa talagang, kumbaga, top 3. Ayan. Congratulations, sir. Diyan ka muna. Diyan ka na sa tabi. Festival King first runner-up with an average score of 93.67%. Congratulations! Hot Air Balloon! Designer, Jupiter Garcia. First setup, we'll be receiving 1,000 Saudi Riyal to be presented by JC Premier. Mr. and Mrs. Pilonia will hand over the cash prize of 1,000 Riyal. JC Premier, of course, may mga beauty products sila, of course, supplements. Maraming salamat, of course. Hot Air Balloon, model Jepoy Olais, and designer Jupiter Garcia. Okay? Paki-hand over sa ating ayan. Okay? JC Premier, thank you so much. Congrats. Doon tayo sa gitna. Alright. Maraming salamat, JC Premier, Mr. and Mrs. Yes. Okay? Sige. I-hold muna natin yung festival. Second runner-up with an average score of 93%. Congratulations! Designer Randy Cabansat, Bulawan Festival! Yes, Randy Cabansat. Congratulations, ma'am. Proceed ka na sa gitna. From Jeddah ka ba, sir? Jeddah? Riyadh! O yan, from Central Region. Kaya mo makyat? Yes. Sige, aakyat daw talaga siya. Grabe, congratulations all the way from Riyadh! Congratulations, you're our second runner-up. Iba rin ang suot mo, ha? Congratulations, Randy! Andito ka na lang po sa gitna. Ay, kaya ba? Okay, aakyat. Antayin muna natin yung ating model. Antayin natin yung ating model. Grabe. Hindi na kaya. Let's proceed to our Festival Queen first runner-up with an average score of 93.10%. Presented by JC Premier. Please join with us, Mr. and Mrs. Pilonia. Will receive 1,000 plus sash plus block. Alright, punta lang kayo sa shop JC Premier to avail. Meron po sila sa Pilipinas, may link sila. Pwede po kayo mag-avail ng mga barley products sa kanila, mga beauty products. Ayan, with JC Premier. Festival Queen, first runner-up, 93.10%. Congratulations! Jeffrey Mendicualin Ati-Atihan Festival! Congratulations, Nicole Joan Cruz, model, Ati-Atihan Festival. Jeddah, all the way from Jeddah! Congratulations, Sir Jeff. Grabe, second year for a row. First runner-up ka rin, 2018. Yes! Grabe! Congratulations! Nicole, where are you? Dito ka, Nicole, sa gitna. Let's see! Lumipad ka nga, Nicole! Hati-hatihan! Hala, Bira! Dapat ganun, Nicole! Hala, Bira! Hala, Bira! Go, Nicole! Yeah! Congratulations! Ang bongga! Grabe na mga pixel. Okay? Let's proceed to our festival king. Our grand winner will receive 3,000 Saudi Riyal courtesy of Melt Zone. Yes, Joey Dilantar. Maraming salamat sa 3,000 na yan. Ay, thank you, Sir Ben. We would like also to call in Paul, our official airline partner, and yung representatives, Sir Chris Capuir or Sir Marvin Aranzanso. Please join with us on stage. Ay, Sir Chris! Andiyan ka pala! To hand over the round-trip ticket to be received by, of course, the designer. And the grand winner will receive sash, crown, plaque. Yan, grabe. May corona ang ating festival queen. Can we give the crown and, yan. To Ma'am Marlene? Yeah, King. King, apa. King muna tayo, Festival King. Yes, the plaque, hati-hati muna tayo. The plaque, Ma'am will crown the King. Si Ma'am ang magka-crown. Yes. Who do you think our Festival King? Sa mga naiwan. Sino ang audience? Sino ang bet nyo? Kailangan kompleto ang costume pag umakyat ka. And the Festival King Grand Winner. Alright, dahil mga generous ang ating sponsor, may additional prize na ibibigay sa Grand Winner. A gift from Royal Cucina. Royal Cucina Choice. Do we have a free meal after in Royal Cucina, the Grand Winner? Free meal? Oh, no problem. The whole family will go there. And of course, I'd like to call in Hatsi, Sir Bernard at Samana to hand over, what is that, a scholarship? 50% scholarship for caregiving and nursing assistant course sa Hatsi. Okay? Sir Bernard Laksamana from Hatsi, please join with us. Yes, he's there. Grabe. May special prize there. Sana binigay na lang sa kanilang lahat. Ha? For King and Queen, Livelihood will also hand over a grocery box. Wow, isang box ng grocery. Ang bongga. Habang babiyahe, papauwi. May pagkain. Ang bongga nyo, meron pa po bang generous na donors? Kung meron lang, bibigyan ko na itong lahat ng mga to consolation. Ready na tayo, Sir Bernard. Halika, akit ka, sir. Ayun. Akit, Sir Bernard. Okay. Sir Arlene Navarro, please join with us. Sir Arlene. Yes, ayun na pala. We are all set to announce the Festival King 2024. Congratulations! With an average score of 94%. The Sorry Manok designer Christopher Santos. Congratulations! You are our grand winner for Festival King 2024. Ang malaking payong ipasok. All the way from, yes, actually ang designer niya is from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Congratulations! Congratulations from Jeddah, kanya designer. Pero siya na rin nag-represent. Congratulations. Ang payong kailangan pumasok. As in, ganyan kabigat, may gulong. Ano po ba? Magtitinda po ba tayo ng halo-halo? Ano po ba ititinda natin? Ay sige, kailangan iakyat yan kasi kailangan makita na reserving mo. Grabe. Yes, sige. Dito na lang sana sa harap, tinaas na lang natin. Antayin natin yung payo. Kaya pala kanina nahirapan ka rin. Kabigat pa rin. Mukhang dito nahirap. Mukhang dito yung yung truck. Dito nabigatan yung truck kanina. O ayan, mainit ang panahon. Magpayong po na tayo. Halika. Let's go. Ayan. O, para makita talaga yung design. O, join ako. Congratulations. Festival King 2024. Sorry Manok. Yes. Ang creations from Jeddah, designer. Yes. Opo. Actual design, Christopher Santos. Okay. Our festival queen, dyan ka lang muna sa tabi. Ang festival queen 2024 with an average score of 95%. We receive also 3,000 Philippine Airlines round trip ticket to be awarded by Novin G. Villena. Ang 3,000 from Novin G. Villena. Hi! Grabe naman, napaka-generous naman. All the way from Europe. Umuwi lang siya dito ngayon just to award the 3,000 from Europe. Ayan. Novin G. Villena. Grabe, napaka-generous ng ating mga sponsors. And of course, Philippine Airlines by Chris Capuir, Hatsi, ayan, for the 50%. And of course, Livelihood, thank you. And also, Royal Cucina, special award. Okay, we receive Crown, Sash, and Black. Our grand winner for Festival Queen goes to... Antonio Manasigan, Bulawan Festival, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia! My God, back to back ka! Yun pala yun! Kaya pala kumigil ang tinang! Yes, dalawa na po niya. Second na lang sa kanilang champion. Congratulations, Bulawan Festival! Wow! Grabe! Kaya mo! Yes! Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumali and participate, the designers, and ating mga models. 24. Kaya, grabe! Antonio Manasigan from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Jeff and Antonio, kayo ang nag-back-to-back this year. Grabe! Congratulations! Muli po palakpakan natin ang taunang Festival King and Queen at talagang namang very historic yung araw na ito. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga models. And kain tayo, kumain tayo after nito. Congratulations, Executive Committee. Buksan na po natin ang ilaw. We'll have a group picture. Close tayo lahat muna. Wala muna lang lahat ng ating mga models. Final picture muna tayo.
May we call on